Simpson day, boys. Sun's just coming up. Time to pack her up. Hit the Simo. Oh yeah. Simpson day. Yeah, Bren dogs. All pumped. Let's smash some Simo. Alright, I'm packed up early as always, waiting for these nerds. 425 kilometers to Birdsville, 75 k's to Perney Bore. That's going to be our first little stop, drop some fuel in. Then I think we're going to try and make to about the 250k mark to Birdsville. Yeah! You can see the forward drives have their sand flags on. All these guys have them on.
That's like an ad right there. That's what I dreamed about.
For troopies, just
troopy in the middle of nowhere.
Hipsters.
Oh,
that's the thing, it's been ruined by hipsters. Yeah, the troopies. Used to be a good car. Motorbikes don't need sand flags. We just run into the forward drives. But yeah, when you crest in dunes, make sure you look for sand flags because they come up the last freaking second, man. I was in the Jeep and I almost took out a freaking Africa Twin. My sand flag was 28 meters high in the freaking Jeep because it was off my roof bar.
You're my sand flag.
I'm your sand flag, alright.
You're my sand flag.
You're my lobster. Check out that TJ, boys. That's gonna smash the Simo. Look at that mozzie now. That's what we needed, man. Light little TJ.
Fly over those dunes.
My heavy JK freaking smashed it. Light TJ will smash it. All the great nomads. Oh yeah, they'll be
over 85.
There'll be dentures flowing everywhere. Aquatic exercises.
They'll be doing their aquatic exercises.
Yeah. Back in my day, bloody kids these days. So much whinging. Baby boomers. Oh no, my 12th property, someone moved out. I've got to find another renter.
I love how the average age out here is like, 85.
Yeah.
It'll probably be us.
Oh yeah.
What do we do? Let's go for an adventure like we used to.
Let's do a lap of Australia.
All the comforts because we're 85.
My $100,000 caravan, my $120,000 Dodge Ram.
Springs because we only spent one night there. And we'll go to the borehole every morning. And
yeah, I'll hate children so hard as well. They'll be ruining it. Back in my day when I came through on a motorbike, I was so respectful. Not playing loud music, burning all the trees down and everything. Vlogging.
Bloody videoing everything, just enjoy the moment.
She is steaming in the morning. Dalhousie Springs, man. One of the best springs in the world. It's so hot. It's like 40 degrees. And huge. Oh, look at these little critters. I want to see a long-haired rat. He'll be my only friend. This little guy. Oh, look, Charmy. That's not a Charmander, that's a different. It's a painted dragon. The hot spring.
Yeah, we were in last night for a few hours.
The hot spring. Next stop, dingo cage. Freaking jerry can in the bin that freaking broke off. Alright, stay on everything, please. She a heavy bike. She a heavy bikey. It's not really the Simpson desert yet. I think the Simpson actually, the sign's at like Perney Bore. Oh crap, freaking jerry can. Where's that cage? Perney Bore, 70 kilometers. Freaking
Anything leaking?
I got it up pretty quick.
What's this? Not water?
I think it was on the other side.
What happened?
This freaking hit the freaking kill switch.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. You okay?
So I lost all freaking gas.
Damn.
I lost power and then just freak.
Oh sure, you're right mate.
Yeah.
Sure. Wait, I want to get the bike here.
I was holding your bloody rubbish as well, bro. Rubbish in one hand. It hit the kill switch.
What, that just killed
I just lost power halfway through and it just went. Stupid bloody jerry can hit my kill switch midway around that corner. I just lost everything. Get you back up. Bloody hell. Freaking 5 minutes into the Simo. God, that freaking jerry can, man. Just knocked my kill switch. Freaking gone. To pick up my bike as quickly as I can. I really didn't want to lose any freaking fuel. It's the last thing I want to do right now. Let's make that my only stack, eh? Get it out of the way. This is how you dispose of rubbish in the outback. Chuck it in a cage and they set it on fire. the big cage so the dingoes don't get into it. Jerry can, you served me well. Actually, you failed miserably. Only got like barely a litre of fuel out of it. In she goes. Bye bye. Jesus, dropping like flies.
Come on. Oh, you're losing fuel. Go.
It's alright, didn't lose my...
Nearly running the mark at like 100.
Yeah, this shit's freaking hardcore. Talcum powder. 42 psi. I'm dropping her down. That was way too high. Dropping it down at 12 on the front, or 14 on the front maybe. So what a start into the Simo. I take a spill because my stupid jerry can hits the freaking kill switch mid-corner. Lose all drive and it just slides out from under me. And Brendan hits talcum powder at about freaking 200. Loses it massively. The WR has 2 big spills straight into the Simo. But this is the easy road out to Perney Bore. Got about 75 k's of easy and then it'll start getting hard, then they're in the sand. You can see all the dingo tracks, man. Dingoes everywhere. Man, I took a big crash in the Revit gear. Freaking, I was gonna take the knee pads out because they were a bit like heavy and stuff, but I'm happy I didn't now because I just freaking crashed at probably 70 and slid the whole thing on my knee. My knee's sore, but like I think I would have been way sore if I didn't have that knee pad in there, so pretty happy I left that in there. Into the Simo. Bit of freaking sand, here we go. This is why you use so much fuel in the sand, man. Listen to all those revs, not a lot of freaking go. Try and get up to 4th. The faster you go, the easier it is. Perney Bore. There's a bathroom here. This is an old capped bore. Used to be like 70 degrees or something and it was a massive bore out here. Kind of wasting fuel, so I'm not going to go too much further. But yeah, that's the old bore. Pretty cool. First to arrive after me. Brendan, let's get his first thoughts on first into the desert.
Oh mate,
how you
I was
finding
smashing through that.
Yeah,
if anything, actually, I got to chill out a bit. Like,
yeah.
I went really wide, and I'm always like, oh, I can use the berm to get me back in.
Yeah.
There was that one with the big cutout in the berm.
Yeah.
I went straight like...
Did you launch yourself over the sand dune
I did.
and then the turn?
Yeah.
Yeah, and did you run off?
I went off and
Yeah,
then I
yeah.
was like, fuck.
I think everyone's going to run off on that one. Trying to get as much fuel in the tank as possible. I want as little on the rear as I can. I'm surprised this rack is not broken. Testament to my mate Tristan, who built this rack for me. Well done, mate. That rack has survived with 15 kilos of weight on it over corrugations right on the rear end of the WR. You're a little dusty. The Komani gear. The Revit gear is going... Oh, it's pretty dusty as well. The knee pad, actually. Lucky I didn't take the knee... Dude, I went down so hard on this knee pad. I'm so happy I didn't take it out now.
I took my knee pads out.
Rip. Luckily you went down in talcum powder, man.
I went down in the...
Soft as it gets.
It was really good. You want some?
Nah, it's supported, mate. I don't do assistance. I'm going unsupported.
Just fixing my bark busters. Should be here, they're down there, so...
Mark on the Husky, the Terra 650, much better than the freaking Triumph Tiger. He's gonna destroy the Simo. We're all gonna destroy it, man. It's gonna be easy, schmeezy, Japanese. God, look at me nerve now, man. I remember 2015, we were so slow through the sand. Look at us now. Sand gods. Woo! Hey, Nerb. Absolutely punching it through, man. Popping wheelies, jumping the dunes. This is why people enjoy the Simpson. We came here just as a challenge in 2015, but this year it's to destroy it. Not just to freaking get through, man, but freaking absolutely destroy it. Ticking this thing off the list. Unsupported, ride from your house all the way out here and absolutely destroy it. much to eat here in the simmer. I'm gonna have a orange flavoured jelly.
What was that?
That's my breakfast. I believe my stick's still going. The Murray River stick. Come on, Brendan. I'll get some footage of you, mate. Hey, oh wait. Yes, look at us. Sand gods. How good are the WRs, man? You can ride 2,000 kilometres out of the Simpson, cross the Simpson, and then ride all the way home. His bag's getting quite close to his bloody tyre as well. Just cinch that in a bit more at the stop. Woohoo! Don't hit the FJ. G'day, champ. Ah, look at the old. It's an old CJ Jeep. Sick. Oh, look at another FJ. It's the bloody Classics 4 Drive Club. G'day. I'll quickly go through what food I've got. Not a lot, man. Super light. I've got 4 of these little pasta meals. They're very small. They only take a minuscule amount of water. Kind of barely a full meal. I've got 4 of them. So it's 3 nights, 4 days. 4 Cliff Bars or 3 Cliff Bars. Already eaten 1, so I think I'm down to 3 Cliff Bars. Packet of snakes and a couple of these little jelly things and about 6 litres of water. So Birdsville, 330 k's, man. Almost there.
Get there, Sabo.
I can smell the beers.
Palmer, mate.
Man, so freaking lucky. I took my water out of here because I thought if for some reason I do nick it on the exhaust pipe again, I'll lose all my water. And then we stopped and I saw shit leaking out of the pannier and I thought it was my water again. I remember I'm like, I didn't put the water in there. It's just a bottle of Coke that I put in there because I wanted to freaking drink some Jack Daniels and Coke. Front end is feeling absolutely fantastic on the WR though, like absolutely not struggling at all. I aired down, I'm at about 14 in the front, 16 in the rear. Bit of a conservative amount. I don't have any rim lock, so I can't go too low. And a lot of people would just go to freaking 8 or something in this kind of soft sand, but the bloody washing machine. Look at it, it's all over the shop. Constant turn, so you can't really hold that much speed. Jump the sand dune, way! How do I get past Mr. 200? Woo! Ow. Too far. Pick her up. Ah, yeah, bloody. He's got to film me careening into a bush. Oh, freaking hell, man. You can't tell what's on the other side. You really can't launch off these sand dunes, man. You've got no idea what's on the other bloody side. Alright. No more launching. Too many turns. Wait till the QAA line. I know that's pretty straight. I'll launch off them. Been waiting about freaking 15 minutes now. Yeah, this is what's annoying about being in the front. I don't like being in the front. Because then if something goes on behind you, you don't know, and then you're just waiting here forever. Luckily I've got a Garmin InReach, so I can message Nerb if I need to. But I'll give them some more time. Surely they'll be coming soon. That's a 4-drive. Great. At least you can tell me where the frick they are. Bloody hell. Was there some bikes stopped back there?
Yeah, so you got 2 blokes about 10 dunes behind. They've stopped, and I'm not sure what they were doing. I think they were waiting.
Yep.
And then you got one guy who just had it. He just came off about 5 dunes back.
Yep.
I helped him get his bike back up.
He's about to come, or?
I think he was waiting there.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah. I'll just wait around here.
None of them are moving yet.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks, mate. So, just message Nerb. Little Garmin's gonna send her on the way. Message gone. Just telling him that I'm like 10 dunes in front of him. I can hear a WR.
A huge crash.
Freak.
Like massive.
Nerd.
I got launched.
You?
Yeah, got launched. Crawled off the road.
Freak.
Took my shit off, laid there for like a minute. Then I was like, piss and fuel.
Uh,
Go over to the bike, put my finger on the thing. And I just had to sit there for like 20 minutes. I've lost 5 litres of water. One's popped. So I'm half my water.
That's alright.
I was coming down a dune.
Yeah.
I gotta go slow. I'm going way
Me too,
slow.
dude.
We need to chill.
I know, dude. Dude, after that, I'm like, I can't do like 4th gear anymore.
No, I'm going slow.
Yeah.
Like, I got launched. Like, it did the, just got into a squiggle.
Yeah.
You know, usually, you find power out of it.
Yep.
Corrects itself. Like, probably 80 coming down the dune. Like, it wasn't a hard, like, I saw where I was going. I was like, bang. Just went, and then it caught enough sand.
Yeah, dude.
I just went, shot me.
I think I did the same thing.
Just shot
Launched
me.
off, squirreled, then threw me into a bush and shit.
Luckily, a full drive came.
Yeah.
Really nice bloke got out. Oh, he lifted the bike for me, and she was super strong.
Assisted.
With his
Now it's
missus.
supported.
I was like, I can't lift. So
Yeah.
lift it up.
Okay.
Down 5 litres of water, and I haven't checked my other sack if it's dripping, but
The right one's dripping.
yeah, well, it's gone. It's completely gone. Like there's no water in it.
All right. Oh, that's all right. 5 litres should be enough. I've got only 5 litres, so.
Before me, no, there's no one in between you and I. But I haven't seen Nerb and Mark and the other guys. Something must be wrong with them.
They said one dude had a crash, and they said the other 2 guys have got all the stuff off the bikes behind him.
What, back that way?
Yeah.
Come this way.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Message Nerb.
I don't have his bloody Garmin address. I know.
Fucking idiot.
Oh, it's a new Garmin.
the
I
freaking
didn't
point?
save it. I know.
We gotta stop crashing.
Well, it seems we're doing better than the other guys, even with our freaking crashing, man. Where the frick are the other guys?
Oh my god.
45 minutes I've been waiting here. How good's this Komini and Revit 3 sand
so
gear?
good to crash
We
in.
are crash testing the sheesh out of our new adventure gear, man. Look at those humble desert steeds.
We're actually lucky we've crashed and we haven't broke. Like,
Going strong. Yeah, if you crash an 1190 or something, but you break shit, because it's like 250 kilos of force on shit breaking stuff.
Just like if you
These
land
little
in that
bikes, it's like
awkward position.
5 kilos, man. This is lunch in the Simo. Cliff Bar, how is it?
Really actually good flavour. I like
Which
the
one? Cool mint.
It's like mint chocolate.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a blueberry one in a bit.
I really want water now that I've lost all my water.
I know.
Water's such a
As soon as
you don't have tons of it,
water, you're like, I'm so thirsty.
so thirsty.
I never drink water like normally.
I drank like no water
I
the
drink-
whole way up.
Yeah.
And now in the
Now,
desert,
as soon as you don't have any
like,
water,
put
it's
it up
like,
and
oh
down
my
the
god,
side.
I want to bathe in water.
Oh no.
Do-dee-dee-doo, wap-a-dee-dee, rip-a-da-da, wa-da-da-dee.